Welcome back to another episode of Nutritionally Yours Revati. Today's recipe is vanilla cupcake prepared from whole wheat flour. As a matter of fact, I always prepare cake using whole wheat flour. The reason being, maida or the all-purpose flour is unhealthy. So what actually makes maida or the all-purpose flour unhealthy? Is it possible to make it healthy? If it is possible, what action should we need to make it available as a healthy product in our country? Before we look into these facts, stay tuned and enjoy an easy cupcake recipe.
Sift 1.5 cup whole wheat flour with 1 teaspoon baking powder and half teaspoon salt. Keep it aside. Now take another bowl and cream half cup unsalted butter and 1 cup sugar with hand mixer. I have used organic brown sugar. You can use any sugar of your choice. Butter and sugar should be creamed very well. Add egg one at a time and combine well. Add 1 teaspoon vanilla extract and give a good mix. Add dry ingredients and 3/4 cup of milk alternatively in 2 batches. Make sure that you start with the dry ingredient and end with the dry ingredient, adding milk in between. Now the batter is ready. Pour equal portion of batter into the cupcake mold. Once done, bake for 20 minutes in a preheated oven at 355 degree Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. Cupcakes are ready now. See how soft it is. When you press, it just springs back. Garnish and enjoy the healthy treat.
Welcome back. The only disadvantage of all-purpose flour is that it is devoid of vitamins, minerals and fiber, and the main nutrient composition or the main source of energy comes from carbohydrate. It becomes harmful only when bleaching agents are added. They are added to give the flour a white color and more elasticity and to enhance the taste and sponginess of the final product. Some of the bleaching agents which are used are benzoyl peroxide, calcium bromate, potassium bromate, nitrogen dioxide and chlorine dioxide. To understand the toxicity of these chemicals, we need to look into what are the other industries in which they are used. These bleaching agents are used in the treatment of acne, in tooth whitening, in the production of hair dye, extraction of metal from their ores. In aquaculture, they are used to oxygenate and disinfect water. Some of them are used in the production of chemical explosives and rocket fuel, and the list goes on. In some countries like the United States, all-purpose flour is available as both bleached and unbleached flour. In that case, you can always go for the unbleached ones. Did you know that these bleaching agents are banned as a food additive in European Union and Australia? Don't you think that these chemicals need to be banned in your country also? If you strongly agree with me, please share this video until it reaches a powerful platform which can alter the law of our land. Let us come together to bring change. Your one share can contribute immensely to ban these chemicals and save our health and also our future generation. That's it for now. It's bye-bye and take care. From Nutritionally Yours, Revati. Thank you.